Hi kids! Today we are going to learn our colors with these cool car garages, and they come with keys. Are you kids ready? Alright kids, let's start opening our garage doors. Here we have the garage door keys. This key is blue. This key is orange. And this key is red. Uh-oh, kids. We can't open our garage doors. What do we do? How can we open these doors? You're right, kids. We have the keys to open them. Let's start with the red key. Now, let's open the red garage door. Turn. And now, it's time to open it. Here we have the orange key. Let's open our orange garage door. Last but not least, we have our blue key, which of course can open our blue garage door. Now, kids, it's time to get our cars out of their garages. Let's start with the red garage. Red. Orange car. Wow. Blue key. Blue car. Wow. Look, kids. Wow. Look at it go. Fast. Amazing. Orange car. Wow. Last but not least, we have our blue car. Isn't it amazing, kids? Let's put our red car back to its garage. Orange car. Put it back in the garage. And then our blue car sadly has to go back in this garage. Now, kids, it's time to close our garage doors. Red garage door, orange garage door, and blue garage door. Now let's lock our garage doors. Here we have the red key. Let's lock it. Yep, it's locked. Now we have the orange key to lock our orange garage door. And now we have our blue key to lock our blue garage door. Now, kids, let's put the keys on top of the garage. Safe and sound. Well, kids, I hope you enjoy learning our colors with these cool cars and the garage doors. I know I did. It was fun. Well, bye kids. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye kids.